This is the RitFit Power Cage, and honestly, it might be one of the most interesting budget-friendly home gym setups I've tested recently. Because here's the thing, building a serious home gym usually gets expensive fast. I'm talking thousands of dollars once you add a rack, cable system, pull-up bar, weight storage, and attachments. But RitFit claims this single setup can basically replace an entire commercial gym corner for a fraction of the price.
RitFit Power Cage product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The RitFit Power Cage is an all-in-one home gym system designed for strength training enthusiasts who want commercial-style functionality without taking out a second mortgage. RitFit has been gaining serious traction in the home fitness space over the last few years, especially among garage gym owners and beginners looking for affordable equipment that still feels capable. Depending on the model you choose, you're getting a power rack combined with a cable pulley system, pull-up station, plate storage, safety arms, and multiple attachment options. The biggest selling point? Versatility. And compared to premium competitors that can cost 2 or 3 times more, RitFit is clearly targeting value-conscious lifters. RitFit Power Cage performance? Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this is where the RitFit Power Cage surprised me the most. For a budget-oriented rack, it feels way more stable than you'd expect. During heavy squats and bench sessions, the frame doesn't wobble excessively, especially if you properly bolt it down or load the rear weight storage. And that matters because confidence in a power rack is everything. If the rack feels sketchy during a heavy lift, you're not going to push yourself. The cable system is another pleasant surprise. Is it as buttery smooth as a $4,000 commercial functional trainer? No. But for home use, it's genuinely solid. Lat pull-downs, seated rows, tricep push-downs, they all feel surprisingly usable and consistent. What I also like is how beginner-friendly it feels. You don't need a dedicated gym room or advanced setup knowledge. Most users can realistically assemble this in a garage or basement over a weekend. But it's not all perfect. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features, because this is where the RitFit setup becomes really interesting. First up is the integrated cable pulley system. This basically transforms the rack from a simple squat station into a more complete gym experience. And that's huge because cable exercises are incredibly useful for isolation work, rehab movements, and higher volume training. Second, you've got built-in plate storage. Now, that sounds simple, but in real life, it keeps your gym cleaner, safer, and more organized. Plus, storing plates on the rack actually improves stability during workouts. Another feature I genuinely like is the multi-grip pull-up bar. Having different grip positions lets you target different muscle groups and keeps pull-up training from getting boring. And then there's the safety system. Adjustable safety bars or spotter arms are absolutely essential if you train alone, especially during bench press or squat sessions. This setup gives newer lifters a lot more confidence to push themselves safely at home. Design and build. Aesthetically, RitFit actually did a pretty solid job here. The design has that modern, matte black gym look that fits nicely into most garage gym setups without feeling cheap or overly flashy. The steel construction feels durable enough for serious long-term use, especially at this price point. The powder coating also helps resist scratches and rust, which matters more than people think in humid garage environments. Now, does it feel ultra premium? Not exactly. You'll notice some minor finishing imperfections here and there, especially compared to higher-end commercial racks, but nothing that feels deal-breaking. The overall footprint is also pretty practical. It's compact enough for home gyms while still giving you enough room to move comfortably during workouts. Pros. Excellent value compared to premium home gym systems. Versatile all-in-one setup for full-body training. Great option for beginners and intermediate lifters. Cons. Cable movement isn't quite commercial gym smooth. Advanced lifters may outgrow it eventually. Final verdict. Honestly, if you're building your first serious home gym, the RitFit Power Cage makes a lot of sense. It delivers a huge amount of functionality without forcing you into premium commercial pricing. You can realistically train almost every major muscle group with this single setup, which is exactly what most people actually need. If you're a casual lifter, beginner, or intermediate strength enthusiast, this is probably one of the smarter budget-friendly investments you can make. It's versatile, practical, and capable enough that most users won't feel limited anytime soon.